Dear students, in the previous class we discussed about geometrical isomerism in octahedral complexes. Now we are going to the coordination compounds part 8. In that, optical isomerism in octahedral complexes. Optical isomerism in octahedral complexes. Here different types of complexes are there. Different types of complexes are there. We know optical isomerism means here plane polarized light passing through the compound. It can polarize left side or right side. That is optically active compound. In the same way, compound does not having any symmetry. That means plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, center of symmetry, like that. Compounds does not having any symmetry. That type of compounds can exhibit optical activity. See here, Ma6 type, Ma5b type. Here, M is the metal atom. A6, A-type ligands, 6 ligands, 6 same ligands. Here symmetry is there. Center of symmetry is there, and then plane of symmetry is there. It is having symmetry, so that's why it does not exhibit optical activity. Optically inactive. Same way, A5b also. It is also having plane of symmetry. So that's why it is optically inactive. Next one, Ma4b2 type. Here also same way. Here see, A, B, A here same ligands, here same ligands. We have to pass one imaginary plane through the compound. It can exactly divide it into two equal halves. So that's why this is also cannot exhibit optical activity. Means optically inactive. This is also, here see, here we can pass one imaginary plane through the diagonal of the complex. Now here exactly it can divide the compound two equal halves, so that's why it is also optically inactive. Next we have to go through M4BC. Here 4 same ligands, two different ligands. Here we have to observe here also, this is the structure of the compound. We have to pass one imaginary plane like this. This one can divide into two equal halves. So that's why this is also optically inactive. Next, in this way, here also, see here, translate compound. Here we have to pass one imaginary plane. This plane can divide it into two equal halves. That's why this is also optically inactive. Here next, Ma3b3. 3 same ligands, 3 different ligands. Three ligands A, 3 ligands B. Here this is facial and then this is meridional. Both facial and meridional, both are optically inactive. Why means one imaginary place passing through it, it can divide into two equal halves. So that's why it is a optically inactive. Same meridional also. Here sigma plane horizontal, it is having horizontal plane of symmetry, horizontal plane of symmetry, that's why it is also optically inactive. Optically inactive. Now we have to discuss MA2, B2, C2 type. MA2, B2, C2 type. Here you can see, here both same ligands. Here same ligands. Here same ligands. We can, if we can pass like this, we can't divide two equal halves. We have to pass like this. If we can pass like this also, we can't divide two equal halves. And then you can take any imaginary axis also. You can pass any imaginary axis also. We can't divide this one equal halves, and then we can't get same like structure. So that's why it is optically active. Now we can see here, this is here, this is trans. This is cis. Cis is optically active, trans optically inactive. Here also it is having plane of symmetry, sigma plane. So sigma plane, so that's why it is a optically inactive. Now MAA taken twice 2, A2. Here two bidentate ligands are there, two monodentate ligands are there, same. Here see, this is two bidentate ligands, same side. We have to observe this one. If any plane is there here, this compound we can observe like this. This will come front side A, here it will come like this. Both isomers, here original compound, this is image, original compound and then image. Both are non-superimposable mirror images. Non-superimposable mirror images. So that's why it can exhibit optically active. Next MAA2 taken twice, AB. See this one also optically active. It is having non-superimposable mirror images, so that's why this is optically active. Same way MAA3, this is also optically active. Next, here for this is actually cis, this is trans. Cis is active, trans inactive. Here also cis active, trans inactive. Inactive. Here, this one also active. Y means here original compound and then mirror image are non-superimposable mirror images means enantiomers. So that's why it is optically active. Next, MAA means one bidentate ligand is there. A2, two monodentate. Here B2, two monodentate ligands. Here this is cis. Cis is optically active. Cis is optically active. And then trans is optically inactive. It is having sigma plane of symmetry, sigma V plane of symmetry. So that's why it is optically inactive. So we know all type of octahedral complexes we discussed in this class. Here which one is active, which one is inactive. Now once again we discuss MA6 type and in MA5B inactive. MA4B, MA4B2, MA4BC inactive, MA3B3 inactive, and then MA2B2 C2. Here cis is active, trans is inactive. Here MAA2 type, MAA2 taken twice A2. Here cis active, trans inactive. Same way MAA2. Here two bidentate ligands are there, two monodentate ligands are there. This is also cis active, trans inactive. MAA3 type, three bidentate ligands are there. This is optically active. No geometrical isomers. Here MAA2B2. Here one bidentate ligand is there. One bidentate ligand is there. So here also cis is active, and then trans is inactive.